Hello friends, today I want to share with you about a very interesting fact. When we do not see the nicely, then we will not know and we need to go more deeply. And also when we see this kind of interesting fact, then it gives us so wonderful knowledge from here. So let's begin from numbers written from the numbers 40. So here I want to talk about FORTY 40. So when we see the word 40 in numbers, it is the only one that we can see the alphabetical order. When we check from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we will not get any letters, the form that it is alphabetical. But when it comes to 40, we can find FORTY. It is alphabetical. So also when we say number 1, ONE1, the letter form, so it is also alphabetical, but it is when we say opposite, and when we take reverse, then it is also order. So there is only two words when we see the numbers from 1 to 100. The alphabetical order is one is 40, FORTY 40, and another reverse, the opposite side is ONE1. These two number is alphabetically ordered. So friends, let's go to next. What the next is, I want to say is, if I ask you what is the strongest muscle in our body, then we may confuse and we may give right answer also, but still the strongest muscle in our human body is our tongue, okay? And our tongue is the strongest muscle in our human body. So more than other muscle, tongue is the strongest. So let's go to next. And when we see the word English language set, S-E-T, set, it is the most definitions we can find in the English word. So more than others, the word set is the most definitions is given. So next is the number 4. When we see the number 4, the meaning of number 4 itself also 4. When we see the alphabet like FOUR 4, so when we see 1 to 100, according to numbers, the letter will be different. Some are less, some are more. But when we check the number 4, we can see the 4 letters. For example, FOUR 4. So this is the very interesting fact I want to share with you, and thank you so much for everyone for watching this video.